Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA ignition replacement door handle that fits the Nissan Altima, Armada, Murano, Pathfinder, as well as the Titan from about 2013 model year to present. And the model year depends on the actual model that it fits. So let's take a look at the handle here. So this is, as you can see here, this is going to be the right side handle, and the right side is the passenger side. So this handle will fit both the front door on the passenger side as well as the back door on the passenger side. You can see this blue right here. This is actually a protective film to prevent the chrome from getting scratched. So you can leave this film until the handle's installed, and then you can simply peel the film off. Now, if we look at this handle here, you can see that it has the factory mounting points, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this handle bolts directly in the factory location. You just need to unbolt the factory one and bolt this one in its place. If we flip it over here, you'll see the locations for both the lock roller here to lock and unlock, the cable connection here, and the cable connection down here for the actual handle itself. Now this handle is a direct replacement for the factory one. There's no cutting or gluing or anything like that. You simply remove the factory door handle and then install this one in its place. If you guys have any questions about installation or anything else, please feel free to reach out to us directly and we'd be glad to help.